Hi guys. Okay, it is Monday, what means we have a new video update. On Monday I will show you every video I will post this week. So, starting with today, we have of course this video and we have a Beyond Body diet video. So I'm really just starting with a new diet as I have to lose weight for my health. So yeah, I'm going to post some stuff about that on Monday. And we have on Tuesday, a Terror Tuesday of course, like always. And I'm going to make a gypsum candle pot. I will show you all that on Tuesday. On Wednesday we have a coffin wallet, how to make that on a sewing machine. And we have the candle for in the pot. And on Thursday we have of course a new shop update. And we have a t-shirt, like upgrading t-shirts. And on Friday we have a gravestone or a tombstone pillow. No idea if that's going to work. I didn't make it yet. So maybe it doesn't work, but we will see. And the last one, making a body mist. So yeah, let's get started and you will see it all this week. It's 10 videos. I will also post all the descriptions and all the recipes and everything I use or make on my blog. I will post the same videos on YouTube, on my Instagram, on my TikTok, on my Facebook, on everything. So yeah, that is it for this week. 10 more videos to go. And if you want to follow me for more of this stuff, you can, but you don't have to. And thank you for watching.